Back in the day when you could get a litre of fuel for under $2.50 and one of these for less than $10, Skoda's smallest car was a viable option for buyers with a budget of less than 20k. But this is the all-new Skoda Fabia, and if you want to know why it's gone up in price more than iceberg lettuce, keep watching. Just as the average cost of living continues to rise in Australia, so too does the price of new cars. That's no more evident than here with the 4th generation Fabia, which will hit showrooms in August in one high-spec Monte Carlo trim grade, priced at $37,990 drive away. But unlike vegetables that taste the same no matter whether they cost 10 cents or $10, there's actually a lot more substance to the new Fabia to justify its higher price tag, and that all starts with its larger new exterior, which is sportier, sleeker and bolder than before. Standard features for the Monte Carlo edition include LED headlights, daytime running lights and tail lights, as well as a host of gloss black trim details and larger 18-inch alloy wheels. Because it rides on a new platform, the hatchback's length, width and wheelbase have all grown, but one of the more substantial changes is here under the bonnet, where the previous Fabia's 1-litre 3-cylinder engine has been replaced by this bigger and more powerful 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine, mated solely to a 7-speed dual-clutch auto and sending power to the front wheels. For now, there's no more entry-level Fabia and there's no manual option, but Skoda will market this car as a warm hatch thanks to its sportier suspension and drive mode selections. Even so, it won't match the performance of the cheaper Ford Fiesta ST or Hyundai i20N hot hatches, or the closely related and only slightly pricier Volkswagen Polo GTI, instead providing close competition for the Suzuki Swift Sport. There's also major improvement inside the cabin, with the new Fabia adopting much of the Czech brand's latest tech, including a larger central touchscreen and a 10.25-inch virtual cockpit for the first time. As with other Volkswagen Group models, the climate control panel has also been revised and it's minimal and smaller than before, but while it is a little bit fiddly to use at first, it's pretty easy once you get used to it. You also get these sporty front seats covered in fabric, which are heated, and they feel like they have a pretty good amount of bolstering. There's more space in the second row. I've got plenty of headroom and a decent amount of legroom, even though the driving position is set for a pretty tall driver. There's also a pair of USB-C ports and air vents, but what space lovers will enjoy most is a huge 390-litre boot, which is 50 litres more than the previous Fabia. That's thanks to a wheelbase and body that are around 100mm longer than the predecessor. And the new Fabia is also almost 50mm wider but slightly lower than before, making it bigger than Australia's top-selling light car, the Mk4. But the latest Skoda Fabia not only looks a lot sportier than the popular Chinese hatch, its interior, fit, finish, materials and design quality are in a different league, not to mention its safety credentials, and we expect its refinement levels and ride and handling performance. But we're yet to drive the new Fabia Monte Carlo on home turf, so make sure you stay tuned for our full verdict next month when we find out whether Skoda's latest hot hatch lives up to its near 40k price tag.